So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete all photos at once on iPhone. So first of all, you'll need to get to Photos. So let's open up the Photos app. And I will just show you through an album I created since there are some other photos, but the principle stays the same. So on here you can see the main photo which switches from photo to photo, and I can go ahead and click the top option which will be select. And if you have these items, you can just go ahead and click select all, and through there go ahead and click the garbage icon. So that's how you can delete all photos in an album at once. If you wish to do it in your entire gallery, that may take a while, but the process will be pretty much the same. Click on select, and you can see you can do it one by one. I don't suggest you do that since it's going to take a lot of time, especially if you have thousands upon thousands of photos. You can just go ahead and start swiping, and you can see I'm not clicking one by one. I'm just swiping to the left, and I hold my finger up, and if I just go to the top of the screen, it's gonna go all the way up to select all the photos in an album or in your entire gallery. And once you're finished, you can again click on the delete button underneath. Just make sure that you have a backup if you wish to see those photos again, or just to boot them back up through the recently deleted part of your phone. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can even share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos about iPhone or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.